Buenos días, niños. Good morning. Vamos a aprender las frutas en inglés. The fruits. Vamos a repasar lo que hemos visto hasta el día de hoy. Empecemos. ¿Te acuerdas cómo se llama esta fruta? Apple. Repite conmigo. Apple. Manzana. Apple. What color is the apple? The apple is color red. Correct. The apple is color red. Apple. How many apples are? ¿Cuántas manzanas hay? Vamos a contar. Let's count. One apple, two apples, three apples. How many apples are? Three. Very good. Banana. Repeat with me. Banana. Very good. Plátano. Banana. How many bananas are? ¿Cuántas bananas o plátanos tenemos? One, two. How many bananas are? Two bananas. What color is the banana? The banana is color yellow. Very good. Orange, orange. Naranja, orange. How many orange are? Let's count. One, two, three, four orange. Four orange. Very good. What color is the orange? The orange is color orange. Naranja. Very good. Melon. Melon. How many melons are? One melon. Very good. Good job.